All right, y'all, new video time. XL number 2, the basherqueen build. Yeah, it's holding up today. Or if it's holding up today. Huh? So far, so good, I guess. Oh, shit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my. My Lord. That was huge. Hell yeah. All right, y'all, I got it lined up way back here. I'm gonna see if I can't send it. Beautiful. 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 Shit. Oh shit. Watch out. Something ain't happy already. What is it? What the hell's broke? Well. Oh, what wasn't happy, but she was pulling. Oh, dead. She dead. Sweet. All right, y'all. My servo's about done this one too, I think. Nice stall and bring back around. That was sweet, y'all. That was sweet. Yeah, she ain't turning very well. Unplugged. Hold on. All right. See if we can't send it. Damn. That was bad. Damn. That was bad. That broke a shock. That broke all kinds of goodies. I think. Try not to kill it this time. Nice flush landing. Let's hit her farther back this time. See if we can't get her rolling down through here. Rode her wheelie into the damn ramp. That was bad. Could have been worse. Yo, I got it lined up over here again. Let's go. That was huge. That was huge, y'all. All right, y'all, she's lined up. That's big, y'all. My Lord. I go out with bars and tone and then break everything instantly. I come out here by myself and able to just launch them. Missed that completely. This stock servo sucks. I hate it. Let's see if we can get us a good one. We got some spectators. Oh, damn! Oh my God, did y'all see that? Damn, destroyed. Holy shit. Well, here's a piece. There's a piece. Here's a piece. Oh my. I don't even look at it. How bad is it? Holy shit. Oh, there y'all go. Y'all better like and subscribe to that shit. Damn, look at them shocks. Well, chassis still looks good. M2C tough, baby. Yeah, carbon fiber. Oh no, we lost one of them too. Damn, broke a shock tower. basherqueen shock tower took a hit. What else did we break in here? The body's gone. The body's gone. What else is gone? Let's see. Anything else? Oh, hell. Other than that, I think, oh, no, we got a front shock up here gone too. Holy shit. What? Oh, what the hell? That just blew that through the shock. I ain't never seen that before in my life. Yeah, other than that, good. We'll be back, y'all. Some boy out here trying to help me find drive shaft. We found my basherqueen. Kimberly, can I get some more pins, please?